Problem 4-59, we're going to be starting with part C. So we want to graph this rule that we're given on xy axis without using a table. And to do that, we're going to use what we know about M and B. So let's start with writing down the rule. Our rule is y equals 3x. And if you try to find the M and B in this rule, you'll find that there is no B. We know that this 3 is our M, but we're not adding anything. So that means our B is going to be 0. So you could write a plus 0 if you want, because adding 0 doesn't change anything. And you could identify that as the B, or you could just see that the 3x means that there is no B. So let's start by adding the scale to our axes. Put a 1 and a 1 to show that each square counts as 1 in each direction. So because our B is 0, we're going to be starting our graph at the origin, right here at 0, 0. And then to find the rest of the points on the graph, we don't need to plug any numbers in or anything. We just know that our M is 3, which means for every 1 we move along the x, we're going to be moving up 3 on the y. So we start at 0, move to 1 on the x, we go 1, 2, 3 on the y. Again, go across 1, 1, 2, 3, and across 1, 1, 2, 3. It's a pretty steep graph. We can draw a line connecting those points, a little arrow at each end to show that it will continue in each direction. And then it just asks for a growth triangle. And to do that, you can just find one of your points and show the dotted line of how we got to the next one. So we went across 1 and we went up 3. So we went across 1 and up 3. And that is the graph of y equals 3x.